Maths Magic Workbook 5 Semester 3 Chapter 8 Fractions. In this video, we shall complete the worksheets 1 to 6 from Chapter 8. Worksheet 1. First Roman. Write numerators and denominators of the given fractions and also write proper fractions from this list. In a fraction, numerator is the upper part and denominator is the lower part of the fraction. Let us write the numerators. 2, 4, 10, 17, 100, 999. Denominators are 5, 5, 7, 13, 199, 123. Let us learn about proper fractions. Fractions having numerator less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Proper fractions from the above list are 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 100 by 199. Second Roman. Make proper fractions using the numbers in this grid. The given numbers are 1, 2, 4, 5. And the proper fractions from the given numbers are 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 2, 2 by 4. Third Roman. In a school, there are 60 students. On one Monday, 58 students attended the school. Represent the number of attended students and absent students separately in the form of fractions. Solution. Fraction part of attended students is equal to total attended students by total students. That is equal to, in the question, the total number of students attended was given as 58. Therefore, 58 by 60. Fraction part of absentees. To get the fraction part of absentees, we can write total absentees by total students. We can get the total absentees by subtracting total attended students from the total number of students. That is 60 minus 58 is equal to 2. Therefore, fraction part of absentees is equal to 2 by 60. Fourth Roman. Raju distributed 10 biscuits to 20 friends. Represent the portion of biscuits each got in fraction form. Fraction form of the biscuits is equal to number of biscuits by number of friends. In the question, number of biscuits is 10 and number of friends is 20. Therefore, the fraction form is 10 by 20. Worksheet 2. First Roman. Write the whole number and fraction part in the mixed fraction to 1 by 5. The whole number part is 2 and the proper fraction in the given mixed fraction is 1 by 5. Second Roman. Write any 5 mixed fractions from this list. Mixed fractions from the list are 5 1 by 2, 7 3 by 2, 8 2 by 7, 6 2 by 3, 1 1 by 4. Third Roman. Pramila distributed 11 biscuits equally to her 2 friends. Express the portion of biscuits each got in the form of a mixed fraction. In the question, number of friends and number of biscuits which were distributed equally was given. Let us write the mixed fraction. Pramila's 2 friends got 5 full biscuits and half biscuit each. This can be written as 5 1 by 2 biscuits. Portion of biscuits each got is equal to 5 1 by 2. Fourth Roman. If number of biscuits given in the table are divided between 2 members, then fill this table. In the first one, 13 biscuits were distributed between 2 members. So each member will get 6 full biscuit and half part of 1 biscuit for each. That is, mixed fraction is 6 1 by 2. If 15 biscuits were distributed between 2 members, each one will get 7 full biscuits and half part of 1 biscuit for each. Therefore, the mixed fraction is 7 1 by 2. If 17 biscuits were distributed between 2 members, each member will get 8 full biscuits and half part of 1 biscuit for each. That is, mixed fraction is equal to 8 1 by 2. Worksheet 3. First problem. Express the relation between numerator and denominator in an improper fraction. In an improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than or equal to the denominator. Example, 7 by 3, 5 by 2, 4 by 4. Second Roman, match the following. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. 2 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Third Roman, classify fractions from this list as proper, improper and mixed fractions. Proper fractions from the given list are 3 by 5, 7 by 8, 3 by 4, 4 by 7, 8 by 9. Improper fractions are 8 by 8, 3 by 3, 8 by 5. Mixed fractions are 2 3 by 4, 6 1 by 3, 7 9 by 4. Fourth Roman, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. When an improper fraction is converted into a mixed fraction, the quotient forms its whole number part, while the remainder over the divisor forms the fractional part. After completing the divisions, we get the mixed fractions of the given fractions. The mixed fraction of 7 by 2 is 3 1 by 2. Mixed fraction of 6 by 5 is 1 1 by 5. Mixed fraction of 6 by 4 is 1 2 by 4. Mixed fraction of 8 by 3 is 2 2 by 3. Mixed fraction of 12 by 7 is 1 5 by 7. Mixed fraction of 13 by 6 is 2 1 by 6. Mixed fraction of 9 by 8 is 1 1 by 8. Fifth Roman, convert mixed fractions into improper fraction. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the product to the numerator. This sum over the denominator gives an improper fraction. Therefore, improper fractions for the given mixed fractions are 3 1 by 5 is 16 by 5. The improper fraction for mixed fraction 4 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. 5 1 by 4 is 21 by 4. 6 1 by 3 is 19 by 3. 4 2 by 3 is 14 by 3. 5 1 by 6 is 31 by 6. Worksheet 4. First Roman, write any two equivalent fractions for each given fraction. To get equivalent fractions, we must multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. First one 1 by 5. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5 are by multiplying numerator and denominator with 2 we get 2 by 10. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 3 we get 3 by 15. Equivalent fractions for 2 by 7. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 5 we get 10 by 35. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 4 we get 8 by 28. Equivalent fractions for 3 by 8. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 6 we get 18 by 48. And by multiplying numerator and denominator with 2 we get 6 by 16. Equivalent fractions for 7 by 9. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 5 we get 35 by 45. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 3 we get 21 by 27. Second Roman, write any two equivalent fractions for each given fraction. Therefore, equivalent fractions for 12 by 64 is by dividing numerator and denominator with 4 we get 3 by 16, and by dividing numerator and denominator with 2 we get 6 by 32. Equivalent fractions for second one 75 by 100. By dividing numerator and denominator by 5 we get 15 by 20. By dividing numerator and denominator with 25 we get 3 by 4. Equivalent fractions for 84 by 16. By dividing numerator and denominator with 4 we get 21 by 4. By dividing numerator and denominator with 2 we get 42 by 8. Equivalent fractions for 100 by 500. By dividing numerator and denominator with 5 we get 20 by 100. By dividing numerator and denominator by 10 we get 10 by 50. Third Roman, find the missing number in each fraction to form equivalent fractions. To get the equivalent fractions, we should multiply or divide both numerator and denominator with the same number. Therefore, in the first problem 3 by 4, the equivalent fraction is having 16 in the denominator. We can get 16 by multiplying 4 with 4. That means we should multiply numerator and denominator with 4. 3 by 4 multiplied with 4 we get 12 by 16. In the B problem 20 by 30. By dividing 20 with 10 we get 2. So therefore by dividing numerator and denominator by 10 we get the equivalent fraction. After dividing we get 2 by 3. Equivalent fractions for 12 by 18. By dividing 12 with 6 we get 2. Therefore by dividing numerator and denominator with 6 we get the equivalent fraction 2 by 3. D problem 16 by 24. By dividing 16 by 4 we get 4. Therefore by dividing numerator and denominator with 4 we get 4 by 6. Equivalent fraction for 100 by 20. By dividing 20 with 10 we get 2. Therefore by dividing numerator and denominator with 10 we get 10 by 2. Equivalent fraction for 21 by 4. By multiplying 4 with 4 we get 16. Therefore by multiplying numerator and denominator with 4 we get the equivalent fraction 84 by 16. Worksheet 5. First Roman, write the given fractions into their simple form using cancellation method. Therefore, we should write the simple form of the given fractions using cancellation method. First one 36 by 16. In the cancellation method, we should cancel the numerator and denominator with the same number. So, we can cancel 36 and 16 in fourth table. For 9s are 36 and for 4s are 16. Therefore, Second one, 50 by 30. We can cancel 50 and 30 in a 10 table. 10 5s are 50 and 10 3s are 30. So the simplest form is 5 by 3. C problem, 10 by 18. We can cancel 10 and 18 in 2 table. 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. So the simple form is 5 by 9. D problem, 32 by 18. We can cancel 32 and 18 in 2 table. 2 16s are 32 and 2 9s are 18. So the simple form is 16 by 9. E problem, 17 by 35. As 17 and 35 are prime numbers, we cannot cancel these two numbers in any other table. So the simple form is 17 by 35. F problem, 24 by 36. We can cancel 24 and 36 in a 6 table. 6 4s are 24 and 6 6 are 36. Again we can cancel 4 and 6 in 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So the simple form of 24 by 36 is 2 by 3. G problem, 150 by 200. We can cancel 150 and 200 in 10 table. 10 15s are 150 and 10 20s are 200. Again we can cancel 15 and 20 in 5 table. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So the simple form of 150 by 200 is 3 by 4. H problem, 25 by 625. We can cancel 25 and 625 in 25 table. 25 ones are 25 and 25 25s are 625. So the simple form is 1 by 25. I problem, 17 by 34. We can cancel 17 and 34 in 17 table. 17 ones are 17 and 17 twos are 34. So the simple form of the given fraction is 1 by 2. Second Roman, write the simplest form of fraction for the given fractions. Use HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Calculating HCF in prime factorisation method. A problem, 18 by 24. After prime factorization of 18 and 24, we get the HCF, highest common factor, is equal to 6. Therefore, by dividing numerator and denominator with 6, we get 3 by 4. Therefore, the simple form of 18 by 24 is 3 by 4. B problem, 15 by 35. After prime factorization of 15 and 35, HCF is equal to 5. Therefore, by dividing numerator and denominator with 5, we get the simple form of the given fraction. Therefore, the simple form of the given fraction is 3 by 7. C problem, 50 by 90. After prime factorization of 50 and 90, we get HCF is equal to 10. Therefore, by dividing numerator and denominator with the HCF, that is 10, we get the simple form of the given fraction. Therefore, simple form of the given fraction 50 by 90 is 5 by 9. D problem, 200 by 300. After prime factorization of 200 and 300, we get HCF is equal to 100. Therefore, by dividing numerator and denominator by 100, we get the simple form of the given fraction. Therefore, simple form of the given fraction 200 by 300 is 2 by 3. Worksheet 6. First Roman, observe these fractions, write your observation. The given fractions are 1 by 6, 5 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6. Observation. As all the denominators of the given fractions are same, these are like fractions. Second Roman, observe these fractions, write your observation. The given fractions are 3 by 8, 6 by 7, 9 by 4, 6 by 5, 3 by 9. Observation is, as the denominators of the given fractions are different, these are unlike fractions. Third Roman, classify the following as like and unlike fractions. From the given fractions, like fractions are 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 6 by 8, 2 by 8, 5 by 8. Unlike fractions are 8 by 7, 9 by 4, 8 by 6, 8 by 6, 6 by 9. Fourth Roman, while we are checking like or unlike fractions, what do we check? Denominators. Fifth Roman, write some like fractions you like. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 9 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. B. Question. Write some unlike fractions you like. 3 by 2, 4 by 7, 8 by 9, 5 by 4. Sixth question. Shade fraction parts 3 by 16, 5 by 16, 7 by 16 only in the shape of L. Use different colors for different fraction parts. Thank you for watching.